everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, today is Bath & Body Works Candle Day. Now, my store opened at 6 o'clock this morning. I was seeing people on Instagram saying that their stores opened at 1 o'clock in the morning. Some people waited in line for hours. I'm like, okay, my store opens at 6. I don't want to be there directly at 6 o'clock. Now, I've never really done Candle Day. Last year was my first time doing Candle Day. And I did it online because I had to work, so I didn't have time to go in the store and get candles. But this time, I didn't have to work, so I'm like, okay, I want to get some candles. And last night I went on the website, and I actually made a list, you guys. Like, I actually made a list of the candles that I want. I got this for but I ended up writing all the candles that I was interested in. And so when I get to the store, I'm like, okay, now they did have some ones that are exclusively only available online, and those ones I did like one or two, but nothing really popped out. So I'm like, okay, that's okay, I'm not heartbroken. But I did write all the ones that I wanted to get. Now, especially the new ones. Now, when I could not sleep last night, I was so excited. I ended up, going online, and people were saying in these comments that some of these scents were like sold out already, and I'm like, are you serious? Like within minutes they're sold out. So I was hoping my store would have them in stock. I get there, and the employees are so nice, you guys, like so nice. Here, take a box or two, and I said, I'll take a box right now. And then when they saw my hand was full, they ended up taking it and then, putting my name to the side, so I didn't have to carry a whole bunch of candles. So those guys were super nice today. But they're like, ooh, smell this, smell this. Well, then the ones that I really wanted they only had like a couple left. So I'm glad I got what I got. I am getting a bunch of these for Christmas presents, so I asked for some ribbon, so they gave me some ribbon, and then I also got some of the cellophane wrap, because we're going to give some for gifts for the family. So one thing I was super excited for, now if you guys watch my daily vlogmas that I'm doing, you would have saw that I am so excited for these bags. Like, I love these bags, and they say you get them free for every 6 candles that you buy. So I thought I was only going to get 1 bag, but I ended up getting 2, and I love it because you can fit so much stuff in here. So these are going to be great bags to have for when I go couponing and everything. But Jennifer, let's just shut up. Now, I was not expecting to buy this much. I only wanted to buy 6. I did have 2 coupons my mother-in-law gave me. I had a 15 off of 40, and then I also had a 10 off of 30. Usually they give you guys those coupons through email, but I never got those, so I'm just going to share with you guys what I got. So this one I really enjoyed. This was one of the new ones, and they only had a couple left. This was Strawberry Pound Cake. This one is fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, whipped cream with essential oils, and it smells so good. I thought it's kind of weird, but it's like just like a pink, and I got 2 of these, but I'll show them to you guys. But I thought that one was super good. That one's one of the brand new ones that they just came out with. I ended up finding just this one. This one was all by itself. This was warm vanilla sugar. I'm actually going to give this one to my mother for Christmas. So we got that one. And that one was the only one they had. They had like one spot where just like all the lonesome ones. I ended up getting Cherry Frost. Now this one's kind of different. This one is Juicy Cherry, Frosted Black Plum, Creamy Tonka, Juniper Berry, and Essential Oils. It's okay. I like it. So I was pretty excited for that one. I also got Sugared Blueberry Donut. Now this one I think is the one that sold out online within minutes, and I'm not a blueberry fan, but this smells so good. It's like a green turquoise color. This is fresh picked blueberries, glazed donuts, sugar cane crystals with essential oils. And it's not so strong, and I really like this one, and I really like the packaging. So I ended up getting that one. That one I think sold out within minutes. And then this was another one I was excited to try, Caramel Drizzle. Now this one is sugar cane crystals, melted butter, whisk, sweet cream with essential oils. So good. So I was excited for that one. And then I think that, and then I got this one. This one I was like trying to find, and this is Pink Fairy Gumdrop. It smells so good. It is sparkling sugared berries, pink cotton candy, sparkle of fairy dust with essential oils. So that is so good. I love it. So that was what I got with one bag. I did have the lotion. Okay, I did have a free coupon to get a free item when you spend $10 or more. So I ended up getting the Shea Butter Hand Cream Mary Cookie. This is just like a vanilla cookie. So this was originally $5 and I got this for free. So there is just one bag I got. No, I did. Sorry, Paris. Watch out, honey. Watch out, baby. Watch out, honey. I did get two. I did do 2 transactions because I wanted to use those coupons. And then with a different transaction, I ended up having a free item up to $13.50. So I ended up getting Christmas Cookies shower gel. I want to get more bath. I want to get more body wash. I have tons of lotion I don't need, but I was super excited to try this. This just says it's a fragrance of creamy cookie dough, almond biscotti, and caramel wood. So I got this for free also. Okay, you guys. So the next one I got is the cinnamon swirl or cinnamon caramel swirl. Smells really good. This is a gooey caramel, grated cinnamon, vanilla bean, and maple brown sugar. So I was excited for that one. And I'm going to have to take this off and put it in my other box. So I'm going to have to move this as we go. The next one we got is Mary Cookie. This is just like a regular vanilla. This is fresh baked cookies, sparkling sugar crystals, rich vanilla. So that one I was super excited for. This is the one I really wanted to get. Now this one I'm getting for Ben's teachers for school. Did I? It's cool. I got 2 different tops. Like somebody must have switched some tops out. But this is iced Cranapple. So this is fresh apple, frosted cranberry, sugared raspberry, and creamy musk. And it smells really good. Like you can smell it. It's not a strong smell, but I really like that one. So I ended up getting 2 of them. I got 2 different tops, which is, I didn't even pay attention. But I'm getting both of these for Ben's teachers. So a little gift for them. And then, okay. Then I got black cherry merlot. My mother-in-law loves this scent, and she doesn't want a lot of stuff for Christmas. I'm trying to get these on here before I break them off the thing. She doesn't want a lot of stuff for Christmas, so I thought I'm gonna get her some candles because she loves candles. And this container is so pretty. It's like purple on the top, and then it's like goes down to silver. I thought that was pretty, and it actually smells pretty good. It just says dark cherry, black raspberries, sumptuous merlot with essential oils. And I actually really think it's like I want to burn that. I might even have to get one for myself, but it's actually a really good smell. So I got that one for her to give her for Christmas. And then I got another one of the sugared blueberry donut because these are so, I love that smell. So, love that. Graham told me not to go crazy with candles, but I kind of did. Then we got, I think I already did this one, strawberry pound cake. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Yeah, fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, whipped cream. Did I do this one already? I can't remember. No, I must have. Yeah, so I got another one of this strawberry shortcake. And then I got the cranberry Bellini, cranberry pear Bellini. I got this from my mother-in-law. This one is fizzy pear nectar, sparkling red cranberries, lush apricot, tart black currant with essential oils. So I got that one. She said she wanted a red candle for the holidays, so I got her that one. And then I got unicorn sprinkles, you guys. So this one, it smells pretty good. It's fluffy cotton candy, rainbow candy drops, and sugared lemon. And this one they didn't have very much either. They had like a couple of these, so I was pretty excited to get that one. And then I also got red velvet cupcake. So good. And then it is a cereal. I thought I got 2 of the unicorn ones. I guess I only got 1. That's okay, I only got 1. Then I got the cereal marshmallow bar. And it's different. It is rainbow fruity rainbow cereal, sticky marshmallow fluff, confetti sprinkles. And it's different. I like it. I like it that it's purple, but I love the little container. So that was everything that I got, you guys. Like, I did 2 transactions. I did use my Ibotta Pay, and I also did redeem a gift card for Ibotta. I'm not going to tell you guys how much I paid because it was crazy, and my husband will kill me, but I did pay over a little over $100, but I didn't pay very much out of my own pocket because I did use Ibotta Pay for that, and I also did, you know, pay with a gift card. So that was my haul. Hopefully you guys can get some good things. I thought I got 2 of the unicorn ones, but not a big deal, you guys. Like, if I go back to the store, like, one thing I like about these guys, if you don't like any of these smells, because the smells are totally different after they're burnt, if you don't like any of these smells, you can actually exchange them. So if I feel like exchanging them, I will definitely do that. One thing I really wanted was the fresh baguette one. That was last year's new candle, but they didn't have it this year, and I really love that smell because when it's burnt, it smells like fresh bread. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed my Bath & Body Works candle haul. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.